Each day, before the world rushes in, I take a deep breath, a moment of stillness and peace. A cluttered mind leads to a cluttered home. Before the day begins, I write my thoughts and gratitude. It all goes here, but clarity on paper brings clarity to life. A little each day makes a big difference. I pick one small thing, just 5 minutes, one organized shelf today, a peaceful home tomorrow. My clients feel lighter when they let go, and I remind them we create space for what truly matters. A schedule is a map. It guides me through the day so I never feel lost. Work, rest, play, everything has a place, just like in an organized home. At the end of the day, I reset my space. A little beauty, a little order. It's my way of saying, thank you, home, for holding me today. As the world slows down, so do I. A warm drink, a good book. These are the small joys that bring peace after a full day. Even in the busiest days, gratitude keeps my heart light. Before I close my eyes, I reflect. What went well? What made me smile? A calm home, a calm mind. Tomorrow, I'll wake up and do it all again, one mindful step at a time.